professor at the University of Virginia, and I'm co-chairing this workshop along with my colleagues, Johannes Betts and Rahul Mangaram, both from University of Pennsylvania, and Venkat Krovi from Clemson University. And we are very excited. We have a very nice, exciting agenda packed for you for this workshop. And you can look at the agenda and there will be a follow-up video. Everything is going to get recorded as well. Speaking of which, I am already recording this. Yeah, just verifying that. Okay, so just a quick overview of what the intention behind this workshop is. In the previous few years, we have seen an increased activity and research in many different aspects of autonomy, in particular around autonomous racing. You may recognize all or many of these autonomous racing challenges, both from ground vehicles to focusing on just AI and scaled racing to full-scale racing and even aerial vehicles. So it's beyond any doubt that autonomous racing has become an active area of research, and there's a large number of academics, students, and academics research labs from all over the world who are working in this area, a very important area, I might add as well. And it's because of this momentum over the past few years, we felt that it was the timing is right to organize this workshop and bring together the community, the growing community around autonomous racing to discuss what are the research challenges and underlying opportunities associated with this very exciting discipline. And so these challenges, I'm not going to read all of them, but they go all the way from trying to compete with expert human drivers and even model or operate at the limits of the control of the physical robot or the autonomous vehicle itself, all the way to the other end of side where we just want to stress test the software or the AI which makes this autonomous vehicle tick at high speeds and extreme environments with very quick reaction times. So the number of research questions are listed here, but they are well and beyond. And today we will hear from our invited speakers and contributed talks, which will touch upon many of these areas and bring to light what are the novel methods and research challenges and opportunities associated, which will bring the community together. And broadly speaking, we are looking to have some exciting discussions on each of these different topics. And they will fall into either learning-based approaches, which are more heavy on the data-driven side, versus using physics knowledge, which becomes very important when you sort of operate at high speeds. You cannot neglect the dynamics and the physics of your robot itself. So as promised, we have excellent set of invited speakers, and we want to thank everybody who agreed to give an invited talk at this inaugural workshop itself. We have 8 invited speakers. They will be split into 3 sessions, and each of them is going to give a very exciting 20-minute talk about a particular unique aspect of autonomous racing. Not only that, we also have 13 contributed papers. I know it looks like a lot of number, but we'll have these are short papers which were invited from these labs working in the area. And we got a number of submissions, of which we selected 13 of them. And you can find the PDF link for each paper as it is presented today on the website of the workshop itself. And so these 13 papers are going to be divided into 2 contributed sessions, and each paper will be like a 10-minute talk. Speaking of which, we want to really extend the thank to all the members who served on the program committee for this workshop and helped us review the paper submissions and provide valuable feedback to all the authors. We also want to thank a bunch of sponsors and people who are supporting this workshop, starting with the IEEE RAS Technical Committee on Autonomous Ground Vehicles and Intelligent Transportation, who supported our proposal to host this workshop in ICRA in the first place. And we also want to thank AD-Link Technologies and AutoWare Foundation for providing support for conducting this workshop and potentially also sending some swag for our Best Paper Award winners. Here's a quick overview of what is set for the agenda today. We have a fully packed, fast pace, which we are all used to, schedule planned out. And so we'll have alternate sessions between invited sessions and contributed papers. In each session, we'll let the speakers use all their time, 20 minutes for the invited talks and 10 minutes for the contributed short papers. We'll let them use their time and not interrupt them for questions, because following the entire session, we'll bring everyone in and have a dedicated Q&A and discussion, in which way we can dive into some more detail and not be rushed for time when it comes to discussing questions as well. For our attendees, I encourage you to use the Q&A tab in Zoom to write your questions. You can also upvote questions which you find interesting, or you have a similar question, you could just click on upvote, and the panel here will help moderate and bring your questions to the speakers and have this discussion. So with that, we are ready to begin our first invited session, which features 3 speakers. So let me stop sharing and I'll invite our speakers in, and we'll get started in just a minute.